Welcome back to Mechanic Garage. Tonight I'm going to have a quick go at swapping a few things over and see if I can get the bits out of the blue one into silver one, and see if it'll actually start, because I've never had that running. So I'll just get a few things sorted and we'll go and have a look. First, what I'm going to do, swap the ECU over and try it on the key. Unlikely that that's all it needs, however, I'll try it. I suspect it's the instrument cluster as well. So these just literally unclip, lift them out, and you've got a pair of plugs, and then lift off. I'll do the same with this one. So, got a mark on this so I know which one it came from, so if anybody sees me putting the wrong one on, tell me. In theory this won't work, however, stranger things have happened. I think there's certainly more to it than just the engine talking to the engine ECU. It's got to talk to the car itself. So yeah, doors open. There you go, wiper twitching again. And I'll take you around the other side. Right, trying to get you in so you can see. So there, if I put the key in the holder and turn this on, let's see if I can get you in there. Yeah, it's all got the flashing immobiliser light as I suspected, so there's a bit more to it than that. So it's reading the key, but I believe this is what it talks to. The ECU do the engine. I'll swap them back over afterwards and see if it starts on the original one. Somewhere under there, I believe, is a body control module. That will probably need swapping so the central locking works on the remote key as well. Right, I've fitted the ignition switch, a bit fiddly, but it's back in. And I've got the cluster out of the other car. It's a little bit of a pig to get out without breaking things, but there's a couple of clips and things on the old car, didn't really matter. So I'm going to be a bit more careful with this one. Try and get the instrument cluster out, plug it in, and then, who knows, it might start. But I've just taken this top piece of trim off first. It's literally just a push fit. Clips on. All the top was already loose from when we stripped it before. So there's these two screws here. And the other one I had to get from behind to pop it out, so it's a little bit of a fiddle. But I don't want to crack this front because the other one's already got a crack in it. So if I can get this out without damaging it, I'll be happy. So yeah, basically, somehow we need to get it out. So I can get behind it. No, because the other one's a bit more in bits. Right. Probably have to come down a bit before the release. Ah, there you go, easy as that. The other one a bit more stuck. Now you've got two little clips on the back. Just release those, they're a bit easy to just do than show you. Incidentally, the other one looked like it had already been out because of the cracks, and also the fact that this plug here, a little purple lever on it, that was already broken off. So I'll test fit these for starters. I'm going to have to clean it all out first anyway because it's all grubby and that. So, and if you've seen any other videos of mine, they get stripped down to get cleaned. That one goes into there somehow. I can't see it. There we go. That's that one. This one goes into here. No, I won't fit it all the way back in fully, but then again, yeah, there you go. The mileage just transferred over. This has now just gained 40,000 miles. Okay, where did I put the key? The key's already in it. Right, let's bring you in and see what actually happens this time. No guarantees. Obviously, this the blue car keys, ECU, and now instrument cluster. So in theory, there you go. The immobiliser light's gone out. So will it start? And this is a completely genuine first try. Well, that's pretty good. Yeah. That's the first time this has run in about 4 years, and it was considerably easier than it could have been. Somebody left the ECU on top of the engine, didn't they? Right, this is the original one from the car. So I might just test swap it over. Not that it'll achieve anything, it just may see what you do need to change for future. Not that I'm planning on doing another one. But you never know. I wasn't planning on doing this one. But first time in at least 4 years it's run. Don't want to leave it running too long, so cam belts are old. Although if it all goes horribly wrong, there's another engine over there. But I don't really want to have to do that. Well, that's easy enough. I'll just swap the ECU over and see what happens. Right, that's now back on its original ECU. The mileage hasn't changed. See if it'll start. No, there you go, look straight away. Immobiliser light, so they are all linked. No, that's good. At least I did the right thing by buying a complete car. So, I'm pleased with that. I'll swap it back over. Right, that's ECU swap back over. There's a lot of cobwebs everywhere you look in this car. Absolutely full of them. It doesn't surprise me. A little bit spluttery. I think it can be let off for that. But no smoke, nothing. I'm quite pleased with that. That's a good bit of progress without destroying the dashboard either. Yeah, there was a bit of medieval going on in this one. Just trying to find things to unplug to find out what I needed to get easily, and as it happens, you don't. It was all steering column and under the dashboard. ECU, sorry. But it's not showing it's charging. But could just be a bad connection, it could be the alternator brushes, it could be anything. But I've got a spare one over there that I do know works. That's the beauty of it now, I've got a complete car. They're saying I've got a light out somewhere. I don't know which one because it hasn't tested anything. In fact, we did test him when Graham was there. Oh well, we shouldn't worry about that later. But for now, actually got a clutch. And it works. Is the radio only working now? No. Find a fuse for that, so it'd be interesting to see if it works. I've got one in the other car. If not, which does work, I'm quite pleased with that. Apart from no charging. And also the screen wash light's on, it wasn't before. Maybe that's the faults with the old car, because it's not had the battery disconnected yet. I don't know. I'll disconnect it and try out, see what happens. Right, slight issue. Hopefully it won't be too difficult to get the bottom of. When you turn this one on, the original clocks, you get the steering and EPC light come on. Obviously that's flashing now, it won't start because of that. When you put the other clocks in, neither of those lights come on and the steering doesn't work. And also you get a brake failure light. There'll be something else somewhere that's coded to it. No, that's not working on the central locking because it's not for the right car. So that'll be the body control unit, I believe, which is up underneath there. Okay. Something else to swap. The other thing I've noticed as well, when you turn it on and off, there's no engine management light. I don't remember seeing it on the other car, but I could refit things to see and actually see what happens with it. But yeah, because I've got that, got the strange bulb warning which wasn't on before. Screen wash wasn't on before. The charging light, don't know because it wasn't running. There's no power steering, so there maybe is a bit more to go to than I thought. But the next job, I believe, maybe that unit there. I am only guessing because I don't know, but that's the only other main relay and control unit I can see. They might all be the same, but or is that one there? That could be another one up there. That could be paired into it. I can't really see from here. No, I don't think it is. I'll have a look online. I'll do a bit of digging. And all being well, actually get somewhere with it. Because that's progress, it's running. However, it's spat out a load more other issues. But we'll see what's what with it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Mechanic Garage, I need to say that more because nobody knows what the channel is if you see it and you click. But thanks for watching. I'll catch you up in another one, and we'll a bit more progress hopefully. Cheers.